Hey everyone, welcome back to my Quartz Creek video update. Today I'm heading eastbound, so we're coming up to the construction zone here. Pretty busy, pretty active, pretty busy. So right now, I believe this is where they're going to end the 4-lane, is right up through here, if you're heading westbound. So this will be where it starts. As you can see here, they're getting ready to. They've got it ready to widen. Beautiful day today. A little bit on the smoky side. They've been having some pretty major fires up in the Rogers Pass Summit area. So, Glacier National Park. So if anybody's wondering where this is about halfway between Golden and Rogers Pass Summit. Okay, so coming up here, on the left-hand side, you can see the road is actually going to curve to the left. And over in the distance, coming around this curve here, I'm hoping you can see it. Okay, right here, that's the new bridge. That's going to be the new Quartz Creek Bridge. The old one definitely needs to be replaced. A couple years ago there was an accident on it and it had to be very well inspected before they would reopen the highway because of the damage to the bridge. Anyway, so we're going around the curve here. This is the old Quartz Creek Bridge. No construction going on here. They'll tear this bridge down like they have been everywhere that they have been replacing bridges. So now we're coming up to the other side of the bridge. Won't have to go up this hill anymore. And I'll be so glad. In the wintertime, this stretch right here is so frost heaved. I mean, it sends you flying. Anyway, so now we're coming up to the Quartz Creek snowmobile area turnoff. So in my last video, I said that this was supposed to be done at the end of or at the fall of this year. I looked at the sign when I came through here and they have now changed it to spring of 2024, which is kind of a bummer, but I was hoping they'd have it done this year. Getting tired of going through here really slow all the time. So as you can see to the left here, it looks like they're going to have the westbound lanes come that way and the eastbound lanes go straight. Like I said, I believe it's for the turnoff going to the Quartz Creek snowmobile area, which is to the right. Pretty busy active site today. It was pretty early in the day when I went through here, so Little detour coming up here. They're putting in some sort of a bridge up here. I believe they're going to finish it off on that side and then route the traffic that way and then do the other part on this side. So that's about it. Coming to the end of the zone. It's not a very long zone that's going to be 4-lane, but it is still a project that needs to be done. They finally got this on the right-hand side. They finally got it all cut down, cleared out. Now we're going to be coming up to the hill, leading up to the Red Grave Rest area. So thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing more updates on this one. So I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye.